Okay, so Valisimo Fashions Group, how are you guys doing? This is a red project I'm working on, and yes, I am hoping to show you one or two things. So many times I get people asking me, how do you fix the net inside the cloth that is having a tube and a cut? So how do you fix the net? It's a very simple process. First of all, you create your tube first. Once you've created your tube, you add your yoke. This is called a yoke design. So when you add the yoke, now how do you do it in such a way that the back is also neat? That's the process I'm actually going through right now, and I thought I should share with you. So we do this project together. So I need to cover this in such a way that the client doesn't see this rough edge. How do I do that? I simply add my lining. The lining comes from the back. Now notice what is happening here. The net part is in the middle. This is the tube part, the bridal satin, and then this is the lining. So the lining is usually at the back, the net will be in the middle, and then your main fabric will be at the extreme end, and then you sew all of them together. So I'm going through the sewing process right now on this particular design. How have you guys been? I have been away online for a while now. Too much work, plenty work. In fact, I hardly have time to do any other thing lately. So, but I hope you guys are all enjoying yourselves. Now you want to be very careful when you are sewing this particular one. I like to start from the middle point, okay, so that the stitch is neat. Let me draw that out very well. I don't want to stop. Okay. Now there is an angle there. I should reach the angle and stop. Turn my sewing machine, as well as knit the whole edges. Make sure I'm sewing on the right line. Make sure my net is also placed in very well. Remember the principle. I'm showing you this because I get a lot of questions of how do you actually fix the net inside that everything is concealed. This is the process you're already seeing now. Okay, you want to ensure that you're working with the front and back. Hey, comments. Where are you watching from? Are you watching from Lagos? Are you watching from Abuja? Anywhere you're watching from. So, say something nice. Let me get to meet you. Okay, so that one is done. My thread has given way already. Yes, I posted something online maybe like 2 weeks ago now, where I talked about the fashion business, and no, not fashion business, like a small scale business, and I told people to comment on how they would spend 20,000 naira if they are giving 20,000 naira, and so many people. I can't believe you people can comment like that. Usually, when we post something online and post the tutorial, you will not comment. I don't mind you. I read your comment and I got to a point I couldn't read again. I just stopped. Anyway, in the list of those people who posted, we have selected some few people who we think will be granted that amount of money. Yes. Now, I need to explain something to you guys. It seemed as if a lot of people didn't understand what exactly that project was, and I would like to shed more light on it today. Now, it's a particular project we are working on, in the sense that we want to help people on the group. Hence, when we give you the money, we give you a period of time where you work with the money, and you will pay back. Yes, you will pay back that money so that we can give another lady on the group. I'm giving out 100,000 naira. That's for 5 people. Now these 5 people, you'll be given a specific period of time where you will do that business and make that business work, and you will pay back that amount of money over the month. We'll be collecting it from you, right? So that until a period where that your money we've given you to start the business can, when it gives us return, we also gather it again and give another set of people. So that is the idea. It is not dash, it is help. We are helping you. Once you are able to do the business and you started the business that started working, we give another person. So that is the idea behind that particular project. I'm hoping that as we start with 100,000 naira now, in the next few months it will even be more than that. These first 5 people we are helping, definitely after now it will be more than 5 people that will be helping. Now, if you are also on this group, the reason why I said you should state categorically, some of you were just stating some funny businesses. The money was 20,000, not 20 million. I was seeing some budget or some serious spending. It's a small scale business. What can you do with 20,000 naira? Some people who gave me ideas of I would like to start egg business. That was lovely. Whoever did that egg business, he said, talked about, I'm going to have, if you buy egg of 800, 700 with 20k, people around your neighborhood will know you are into egg business, and that's fantastic. If somebody tells me, okay, I'm going to go into soft drink business with the 20,000 naira, if one soft drink is about 100 naira and you stock your place with 20k, that makes more sense to me. That will show people in your neighborhood that, oh yeah, this person has started doing something. Somebody talked about Gary business and her mother with her mother was ill. She would love to give the mother the 20,000 naira. That was a very good idea. Yeah. I'll support that. Gary is about 800, 1,000 depending on your place. Now, if I have 6 bags of Gary and I know I'm into Gary business, over time, if I have 6 bags and I want to sell that in the space of 3 months, 4 months, definitely there will be some gain on it. Okay, that's the idea. Now, once you start that business, as little as it is, after a while, there will be an arrangement between you and us in such a way that you pay back that money so that we can help another person. It's not just by mouth. I'm interested in building the community here, and I'm not government. I don't have money like that. But the little I have, I'm willing to share. And not just share and dash one person and say, thank you very much. Do a business and let it. See, some people don't need handouts. Some people need hand-up. Okay, as little as that may sound. Some people, it's not a matter of give me 2k to eat today, that's their problem. I want to be doing something. I want to be able to start something in your own life that you are doing in such a way that tomorrow you would remember that that lady helped me. Now, we also talked about you people stating the business there categorically what you are going to do. Those of you on this group who saw that post, now you can see what ordinary 20k can do for you. If you are there and you have 300,000 naira inside your bank and you are still telling yourself that you don't even know what to do and not getting money, why not invest in that little money you have? Can you risk 20k right now where you are and start the business? Besides, some of you who will not get the money from us directly, that you have stated clearly what you will do with the 20k, have you started praying to somebody in your neighborhood that can give you that 20k? Who knows? That might just be a door opening for you, like giving you ideas and tips on what you can do. Somebody talked about selling yam. With 20,000 naira and you are selling yam, that's beautiful. If a tuber of yam is about 600, 700, 1,000, 1,500, and I have 20,000 naira to stock my yard with yam, some people is until it gets fresh, until I have a boutique, until I have a this, before you stop wasting time. As little as what we have can start something today, and that's the idea behind this. So